beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for goals. So Jim, who do you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Yeah, I think his presence might make all the difference for this team. He's got lightning fast reactions and a coolness under pressure that allows him to make the big one-on-one saves. He's also very reliable under the high ball or when he's dealing with crosses, and I'd expect the whole defence to play with a bit more assurance with him in place.
He would be the obvious choice, wouldn't he? He certainly has all the right qualities. Well, if he did just miss it, we are up and running already. Castagna.
Oh, that's a cracking ball. Too quick for defence and keeper.
Pablo Sarabia. No, he wasn't going to let him past. Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Raul Jimenez really needed to...
Jimenez with the foul. Shifted upfield. Oh, it's come loose. Adama Traore receives it. Adama Traore is fouled. Crossed in again. Stood up well to him there. Now who's going to be first to this? Ball's being played in here nice and early.
Yeah, that'll be a test for that defence, but I'd like my players to keep mixing it up if I was in that position, you know, and not become predictable. They've got to avoid that.
Raul. And here's Willian. Raul, foot in. Played out to the left flank. João Palhinha.